Hi everyone, my name is Geraldine and I'm your regulated Canadian immigration consultant with my license number R707287. Napakarami po nating inquiries this past few days from people with temporary foreign worker status with their work permit that is expiring very soon. So ano nga po ba yung maaari niyong gawin to possibly maintain your status in Canada? No? So number one, check with your employer po muna ahead of time if possible na makapag-apply ng LMIA to support your work permit extension. So marami pong nagtatanong sa akin, bakit naman po kailangan pa namin ng LMIA? Work permit extension na lang po yun. So unfortunately, kailangan po LMIA to support ang work permit extension. So make sure to apply for at least 30 days before mag-expire ang work permit nyo. If you apply before your work permit expires, you can continue working under the same condition ng current work permit nyo until a decision is made. So, what if your LMIA is on process and until this time, wala pang decision? Napakarami na we are saying online and they are saying naka-apply ang kanilang LMIA and it's been on process for the last 6 months, 8 months, until this time, wala pang decision. My best bet there is to apply at least 2 weeks before ma-expire ang status nyo. Ask your employer or consultant for the LMIA number na gagamitin nyo sa pag-apply ng work permit extension. And add na lang kayo ng extension. It is highly suggested. Add an explanation addressed to the visa officer explaining your situation and sabihin nyo na the LMIA is still on process and this is the LMIA number and you are still waiting for that decision. So, number two, what if your employer is not in a position to apply for LMIA for the reasons of restrictions na lumabas the past few weeks? Wala po sa position ng employer niyo to apply for LMIA because mataas ang unemployment rate ng location where you are working or lampas sa quota na pwedeng LMIA. I suggest to look for jobs where locations are falling under the census agglomeration or yung mga less populated na locations or of course yung mabababa ang unemployment rate where can possibly apply for LMIA para sa employer. So number three, pag ma-expire ang status nyo and you still don't have employers to your work permit extension, apply for a visitor record. If you want to stay in Canada but not work, you can apply for a visitor visa. So this will allow you to remain in Canada as a visitor after your work permit expires. But then of course, you need to prove a strong argument or defense. No, bakit kayo nag-visitor's visa? And why not go back home? And number four, you can convert your status to a study permit. That will allow you to Canadian education. Of course, Canadian work experience, and if you Canadian education, that will be a good advantage para po sa pag-a-apply nyo ng permanent residency. So you will have the ability also to work part-time if you're working off-campus or full-time pag in campus. And number five, you can explore your options or lahat ng pathways to permanent residence, such as the Express Entry System or the Express Entry Program. Meron din pong provincial nominee programs or other immigration programs that may be suitable for your situation. So baka hindi nyo alam, qualified or eligible na pala kayo to apply for permanent residency and hindi nyo po alam. I always suggest, always make education credential assessment and your language test ready. So para anytime, as soon as you get qualified to apply for PR, pwede na po kayong mag-submit ng inyong permanent residency intent application. So again, feel free to message or contact us your immigration-related inquiries. We'll be happy to help you out in overcoming your circumstances in your situation. Maraming salamat po and I wish you all the best. Thank you.